channel, and today we're gonna rebake a recipe of a cake from Richa Irawan at Instagram. Before we start it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and don't forget to share my video. And let's get started. So guys, this is all the ingredients you need. So guys, I just measured the butter, and we need to put it in a very warm water, and don't put it in a very hot water, or else the butter will melt into oil. If you put it as warm as this, the butter will melt like water, and that will work. Step is we're gonna need 5 whites and 8 yolks. So we got 8 here, so let's check. Oh my god, I'm scared. There's 2 of them. So guys, this is the trick how to remove the whites from the egg yolk. This is only if you want to discard the whites. I measured this for 130 grams, and now we gotta shake it. Don't forget to always check your melted butter. Butter is not becoming oil anymore, so let's go back and do that. First, we need to use this TBM. Ooh, look at that. Oh yeah, we gotta use 1 teaspoon. Gotta use the vanilla. I'm gonna ask my sister to hand mix it for me because my hand is super lame and I'm so tired of doing that. This mixer is so heavy, and don't forget, mixer is not for kids. Indonesia, we call it kental menjenjak, but in English I don't really know what this is called. So guys, now is the time for the melted butter. Ooh, look at the butter, guys. It's not oily. Yay! Now let's pour it. Gotta mix it with the spatula, and don't mix it with this mixer again. Mix it round and round with slowly. For the flour, 115 grams. Don't forget, you gotta shift it again. Let's just do this. Woohoo! Look at that going. Look at the flour. It's cool. Mix it with some spatula. Don't mix it with mixer, okay guys? Or else it won't be spongy when you bake it, and it won't like go up too much. I mixed it already. I think that's enough mix, and now we gotta put it in the baking tray. Let's pour it. All of the air and bubbles in here. it's not too good, but it's actually pretty okay. And don't forget, if you guys want to make this cake, you can tag me on Instagram and also tag Richa Irawan. I'm gonna finish my cake first, and don't forget to like